I'll be going over photosynthesis and cellular respiration and how the two are connected. So, cellular respiration and photosynthesis are connected because the waste product from cellular respiration is used as fuel for photosynthesis, while the waste product from photosynthesis is used as fuel for cellular respiration, creating a complete circle. They both need each other to be successful. We need food to survive, and so do plants. Plants need carbon dioxide. We breathe out carbon dioxide. And in return, the plants create oxygen, which we need to breathe to stay alive as well. Again, we need each other, creating a circle of life. Cellular respiration is catabolic. The reason is catabolism is the process of breaking down molecules to obtain energy, or ATP. Cellular respiration's main focus is to create ATP, which is a process of breaking down molecules through catabolism and reactions. Photosynthesis is anabolic because it is using the broken down molecules to rebuild using energy. So while cellular respiration is catabolic, using the process of breaking down molecules, photosynthesis is the opposite and building up molecules. Cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis, and vice versa. They depend on each other and their processes as they create a full circle and a mutually beneficial relationship. Simply put, we feed plants who perform photosynthesis with our carbon dioxide that we breathe out, while plants produce oxygen that we breathe in and perform cellular respiration. As you can see in this model, at the mitochondria, this orange organelle right here at the bottom, sugar and oxygen mix together to create carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP. Photosynthesis then takes carbon dioxide and water plus sunlight to create oxygen and sugar, which is exactly what cellular respiration needs. Then cellular respiration takes the sugar plus oxygen to create carbon dioxide and water plus ATP, which helps with photosynthesis, and the cycle continues to go over and over and over. So that is the connection between cellular respiration and photosynthesis.